Bom, e essa próxima, né, vai pra Thales, meu best. E a gente sempre tem comentado que a gente ia fazer um dueto, né? Então eu escolhi uma música dueto e eu vou cantar só a minha parte e vocês fingem que na parte do homem é Thales que tá cantando, tá? Então, vamos lá. E se Thales puder, ele grava por cima, então aí ele lança a gente lança um dueto mesmo, quem sabe? Vamos lá, espero que vocês gostem, espero que você goste do meu best. Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been what I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. They don't know how long it takes waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you, I will. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been what I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed and we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. Where we flower, though it breezes through the sea, moves so pretty, you're all I see. As the world keeps spinning round, you hold me right here, right now. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. Espero que você tenha gostado, Thales.